In this video, we teach you how to enter a starting bank balance in conversion balances. The last step in the basic setup process is to enter your opening bank balance. To do this, click Accounting, then select Accounting Settings. Click Conversion Balances. Before entering any balances, you must confirm the conversion date, which is the date from which you'll record your business's financial transactions in Xero. Click Conversion Date. It's usually the first day of a new financial year or the start of a sales tax period. For example, if your financial year ends on the 31st of March, the conversion date would be the 1st of April. Check the selected month and year are correct. If needed, change the month and year using the drop-down menus. In this example, we'll keep the selection as April 2025. Check the conversion date shown in the message is correct. Here we have the 31st of March 2025, so we know we've set the conversion date correctly. It's telling us to bring in our balances at the end of that day, ready for the start of our new financial period, the 1st of April. Click Save to confirm any changes you've made. The Conversion Balances page shows you a few accounts from your chart of accounts, so let's enter the bank balance to get started. You must take your bank balance at the end of the day before your conversion date. In our example, that is the 31st of March 2025. Enter the balance against your bank account. If it's a positive balance, enter it in the debit column, and if it's negative, enter it in the credit column. As we've only entered a positive amount in the debit column for the opening bank balance, you'll see that the total debits and credits don't match. This is perfectly fine for now, as Xero automatically calculates an adjustment. We recommend you work with an accountant or bookkeeper to enter full conversion balances from your previous financial records as soon as possible. They can help confirm your conversion balances and tidy up any adjustments like these. For now, we'll stick with just the opening bank balance, so we can move on to using Xero. Once you've entered the balance, click Save. Your bank balance in Xero will now have the correct starting point and should match your online banking statement balance if you have a bank feed set up. You're now ready to start adding your business's financial transactions in Xero.